Good evening, operatives. Tonight we have another care package that came to us from Containment Crew, and so we're going to do an unboxing and talk a little bit about what we plan on putting all of this new equipment in. So first off, Containment Crew sent this in a very nice priority mailbox. Let's go ahead and tear into it. So we can see first off our packing list signed off on. Very nicely done, very professional from Containment Crew. They sent everything we asked for. So we have a blue-green LCD, voltmeter, Michel 2.0 motors, blaster parts precision flywheels, strife extended magazine release lever, and a containment cage at 42 millimeters for the strife. So let's go ahead and open these up. So this is the first time I've had blaster parts flywheels. Packaging is extremely nice. They boast precision, reliability, and low noise. So let's take them out of here. So I have a set of the Containment Crew flywheels in my sleeper strife, and they are not as concave as these are. I don't know if you can see that. They're kind of concave. They're not quite as concave as the Eclipse wheels, but they will serve exactly what I want them to do, as they are blue. And the entire build that I'm going to be putting this in is going to be a blue on white EiserWind, which we will talk about in just a second. And so then the voltmeter, as well as the extended magazine release. I have not used one of these yet. I'm really anxious to see how that goes. We'll set that off to the side. The Michel 2.0 motors, I actually have these in my sleeper strife. Get my blade out here to open these. And I would not recommend cutting toward yourself. So always cut away from yourself as you're not injured. Or poke out your eye. So the Michel 2.0 motors, I am a really huge fan of these. I will probably use these in all of my HVZ blasters. They are fantastic motors. And then we have the Containment Crew cage. Just went ahead and ordered everything from Containment Crew because it was just easier that way. And I have a containment cage in my other strife build, and it really has held up for me, and I really like the work that they do. It's very nice, very clean. It's not very rough. You can tell they sand before they send it out. I actually don't think I need to do any kind of cleanup on this one, as it is very smooth. You can see it is very smooth the way it is printed out. And it always comes with the motor mounting screws there. And then my favorite personal thing after patches would be stickers. I can put stickers everywhere. That's fantastic. Thank you, Containment Crew. So that will all be going into this project that I have currently in my hands. I've been kind of working on back and forth for a bit, having a few alignment issues, but this is the EiserWind, or Icy Wind. I've got it started with the epoxy putty. I have it together. I'm going to probably put a piece of paper in here, that way I can bolt it together, do the epoxy, pull it back apart, and everything should line up pretty well as far as being able to bolt in and out, getting your motors and everything worked on. The battery door, which I don't know if I can actually get it open right now because I have it locked shut. Here we go. Let's just... So the battery door, after the blaster is together, is still fully functional. So when we get this rewired, we can stick our 2S LiPo inside and have a very streamlined battery door access. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you found at least some of this informative as to what I'm currently working on. Not so much in preparation for End War, but a small update on the EiserWind and the progress on the internals. Again, thanks for watching, operatives, and as always, Hail Hydra.